Hi everyone, Chef Patty here, and today I'm gonna make a creamy mushroom pasta with crispy prosciutto on top. And I'm super excited because it's like 40 degrees here in South Florida, and that's very rare. So I am ready for the comfort food, something hearty and warm and cozy. So let's get started. So here's what you need: olive oil, prosciutto, butter, mixed mushrooms, garlic, fresh thyme, salt and pepper, chicken broth, dry sherry, tio pepe is always my preference, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and pasta of choice. You want to start by cooking the prosciutto. Heat the olive oil in a large pan. Cook the prosciutto a couple of minutes on each side until crispy. Transfer the prosciutto to a paper towel and let it drain and set aside. In the same pan, melt the butter, add the mushrooms, and cook until golden brown. Then in goes the garlic, the fresh thyme, and black pepper. I do not like adding the salt now because then your mushrooms get a little soggy. I do that later. Give it a stir, add the chicken broth, dry sherry, let it reduce for a few minutes. Now it's finally time for the salt. Add the cream, stir, cook for a few more minutes. Add a little pasta water. Now comes the good stuff, Parmesan cheese. Add the pasta, stir really well to combine all the flavors. Sprinkle the crispy prosciutto to finish and enjoy. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.